Very good morning, friends. Today also we are going to make practice of such type of MCQs. Okay, and such type of a practice comes under Students Awareness Program (SAP). Students Awareness Program about multiple choice questions examination. Okay, that's why you should have to know, you should have to understand, you should have to prepare such type of questions. Nature of questions also you should have to know, and practice of such type of questions you should have to make. Okay, then you will get ample success in the examination. Okay, now come to the point, what type of questions may be there, what are the probabilities of the questions, and what type of questions you have to prepare. These are only practice purpose questions we are discussing. Okay, that's why you don't make misunderstanding about me and about this material also. This material I am going to provide to you for your practice purpose only. You should have to practice yourself 100%, then you can get success. Okay, try to understand also what I'm speaking. Okay, now come to the point, what type of questions are there on remaining chapters. Remaining few chapters are there, and on those few chapters also, what type of probable questions may be there, and what type of questions you can prepare yourself also. Okay, those questions we are going to study here. Factor intensive projects deals with factor intensive projects deal with capital intensive projects or dash dash. Alternatives are given. First, labor intensive project. Second, service intensive project. Third, capital intensive project. And the last, all the above. The correct answer will be factor incentive project deals with capital incentive projects or labor intensive project. That's why correct answer will be labor intensive project. Then next question is there, if a particular product or service is not available for such purpose, dash dash projects are prepared. What type of projects are prepared? A, cautiousness oriented. Second, factor intensive. Next, magnitude oriented, and all the above. The correct alternative is cautional projects. What type of a caution orientation project? It means that correct statement will be, if a particular product or service is not available for such purpose, causation projects are prepared. What type of projects are prepared? Causation projects are prepared. Okay, try to understand. Then next question may be there, all India financial institutions generally extends financial support to meet out the dash dash for funds which are required. Four alternatives are given: objectives, advantages, purposes, all the above. Objectives, advantages, purposes, and all the above. What will be the correct answer? Objectives. It means that your statement will be, all India financial institutions generally extends financial support to meet out the objectives for funds which are required. Then next question is there, projects are generally started to meet a business dash dash. Four alternatives are given. First alternative is ambitions. Second alternative is given targets. Next alternative is given treatments. And the last alternative is given all of these. What is the correct alternative? Projects are generally started to meet a business ambitions. That's why first alternative is the correct alternative. Okay. Then next question is there, adequate project planning. Adequate project planning is the responsibility of dash dash. Project manager, planning officer, accountant, auditor. Whose responsibility is there for adequate project planning? Who is responsible for adequate project planning? Definitely you will find the project manager. That's why correct alternative is project manager. Adequate project planning is the responsibility of project manager. Don't forget it all. Okay. Next question may be there for your practice purpose. The fastest growing segment of USA economy. The fastest growing segment of USA economy is dash dash business. A. Women owned business. B. Men owned business. C. Mixed business. And D. None of these. Definitely in USA you will find women owned business. Okay. The fastest growing segment of the USA economy is women owned business. Okay. Then next question is there for your practice purpose. Dash dash entrepreneurs, the women entrepreneurs who start their business without making systematic planning. A. Chance. B. Opportunity. C. Forced. And D. Benami. The correct alternative is chance entrepreneurs. Chance entrepreneurs, the women entrepreneurs who start their business without making systematic planning. It means that chance. Okay, correct alternative. Then next question is there. Dash dash factors are those factors. Dash dash factors are those factors which encourage the women to become entrepreneur. To become entrepreneur. Pull, push, drop, none of these. Pull factor, that is the correct answer. Pull factors are those factors which encourage the women to become entrepreneur. Okay, that's why correct answer is pull factors. Okay, next. Dash dash are described as a small voluntary association of poor people who are from the same socio-economic background. Four alternatives are given: self-help group, autonomous group, government, private. That's why what is the correct alternative? Self-help group. Self-help group are described as a small voluntary association of poor people who are from the same socio-economic background. Okay, such type of the people come together and form such type of a group, and that group is identified as a SHG. What is it? Self-help group. That's why your correct answer is self-help group, not an autonomous group, not a government group, or not a private group. That's why correct answer is self-help group. Then another question is there. Every today India is described as a country of dash dash. Definitely you will understand. This question is very simple question. Fifth standard students can also give correct answer. Every today India is described as a country of villages. Not a town, not a city. Okay. That's why alternative A is the correct alternative. Then next question is there. The Khadi and Village Industry Commission. The Khadi and Village Industry Commission was established in dash dash in 1957, in 1947, in 1967 or 1977. Correct answer will be 1957. What is the correct answer? 1957. Then next question is there. Every TRISEM training is a potential IRDP beneficiaries. Every TRISEM training is potential IRDP beneficiaries. What is the correct answer? IRDP is the correct answer. Okay. Then next, dash dash is a cluster of activities. Dash dash is a cluster of activities which are relatively separate and clear cut. Four alternatives are given: project, tutorial, assignment, and none of these. Project is cluster of activities. Don't forget at all. What is the correct answer? Project. Project is a cluster of activities which are relatively separate and clear cut. Okay. That's why correct alternative is a project. Then next question is there. Dash dash is the first phase in the life cycle of the project. What is the first phase in the life cycle of project? Already I have taught in the classroom. You have studied in the classroom. Okay. Already I told you. What is the first phase? Alternatives are given for first, the pre-investment, investment, non-investment, and none of these. Correct alternative is there, the pre-investment. The pre-investment is the first phase in the life cycle of the project. Okay, this is the correct answer. Then next question may be there, the dash dash based projects. The dash dash based projects are those where the demand for the goods and services from the basis of starting such projects. Demand, supply, demand and supply, none of these. What is the base, or which type of the projects are those where the demand for the goods and services from the basis of starting such projects? What is the base? The demand based projects. That's why correct alternative is the demand. Okay, then next question is there, dash dash refers to the process of finding, dash dash refer to the process of finding out the most appropriate project from among the several investment opportunities. First alternative is project identification, second project formulation, next project appraisal, and the last project selection. What is the correct alternative? Project identification. That is the correct alternative. Then next question is, do not compromise on the dash dash of equipment and machinery. Always and always, again and again, I used to say in the class also, you don't make any type of compromise with the quality. That's why, what is the correct answer? Quality. You don't make any type of adjustment with quality. Okay, you have to demand and you have to use quality product only. That's why, what is the correct alternative? Quality, not a quantity, not a price, not none of these. That's why correct alternative is quality. Don't compromise on the quality of the equipment and machinery. This is the correct alternative of this question. Okay, then next question is there, dash dash is an assessment of the economic, social and financial viability of the project. Dash dash is an economic, dash dash is an assessment of economic, social and financial viability of the project. What is it? The project appraisal, project selection, project formulation, project selection. Okay, the correct alternative is there, project appraisal. Okay, the last question of this period is also there, actual, Dhirubhai entered into business in dash dash with an initial capital of rupees 1000. In which year Dhirubhai entered into business? In 1950, 1965, 1966 and 1976. Correct answer will be 1950. In this way, you have to understand different types of the MCQs. You have to prepare yourself. You have to prepare yourself such type of MCQs. You have to make ample practice of solution of such type of questions, and then definitely there is an opportunity for all of my students for getting 100% marks. This is a golden opportunity for all of you. Okay, this is a golden opportunity because in descriptive questions there is no chance for getting out of marks, but such type of MCQ questions definitely you will get out of marks. Okay, that's why prepare yourself, do work, hard study. You have to study hard and hard and hard. Don't waste time in other activities. Only your full concentration should be on study, and then definitely you will get out of marks. Okay, 100% marks of this examination. Okay, for that purpose, again I would like to give best luck, best compliments for your examination purpose. Best luck for you. Thank you very much.